I am now on the summit of Shelving Rock Mountain. It is not quite truly a mountain, it's more like a knoll or a hill, but it is called Shelving Rock Mountain. And this is the view looking out towards Lake George. Just going to pan very slowly. And what we're coming up on the left part of the screen is the shoulder of Buck Mountain. And that is Buck Mountain right there. It's an absolutely beautiful Sunday morning, brisk. We've got some color changes here. And what I'm going to do is take a little bit of a herd path towards the lake, and we'll be coming out on a ledge that has a beautiful panoramic view. So we'll be getting to that very shortly. I'm just headed down towards the herd path now, just panning a little bit. And if we look this way, you will see that there is a herd path. And we'll just head on over here, and here it is in the woods here. So we'll head on down. I have a pretty long shadow, and probably in about 5 minutes. Here now it's much more defined, and there's Miss Lily leading the way. Once we're into the woods, the path is much more defined. So I'll follow Miss Lily, and we shall head over to the ledge. Okay, there's Miss Lily leading me onto the ledge, and the sight here is just wonderful. Let me just walk out here. I will pan the lake. The air is very still. You can hear a few boats out on the lake, but it's still quite early in the morning. Let me just come out over here to Lookout Ledge. And then I could colors are beautiful. You can see Montcalm Point, tip of the tongue, leading up to the sub-summit of First Peak on the Tongue Range. Everything is just so clear. I'll be taking more video today. I'm not sure where I'm going to head next with Mountain Lily. Well, we'll have to think about that. Signing off for now. We've headed back down off the summit of Shelving Rock Mountain, and this just gives you an idea of how absolutely peaceful the trail is. There's Lily enjoying the sound. There's little streams. You can hear the water. The wood's absolutely beautiful here. It's just a peaceful walk under a nice canopy of green. If you look up, you can see that the leaves have really not started to change yet. Still quite green. So we'll be heading down. What I've decided to do today with Lily is head back to the car, walk down the road about half a mile, and join up with the trail to the Shelving Rock Falls, and I'll see the falls, and then I'll decide if I want to walk around the Lake George Shore Trail from there. To be continued. We backtracked down to the car off Shelving Rock Mountain. We walked down the road, which you can see right up there, and then there's a little cut-off trail off the road. This is Shelving Rock Brook, which leads to the falls. I'm just going to pan. You can see what a beautiful spot this is. Nice canopy of trees. You hear the rushing water. It's really quite picturesque. So we're going to head down this trail right here that goes right alongside the stream. And we're going to get to the falls in about 10 minutes. We're further along the trail. I've got Mountain Lily with me, my trusty hiking companion, and you can just see how incredibly peaceful this area is. The water running, dappled light. It's just a very special spot here. With all this water running, I expect the waterfalls to be quite powerful, so we're going to head over there right now.